3 years, but 1 year of us finally getting it right.
Turkey.
3 days of us hunting like we finally figured out how to hunt. Chris got it done on the first day. I got it done on the third. Should have had it done yesterday.
It's been a really quiet morning, but we just had a gobble in that direction. A few days ago, Gage had one gobbling back in this direction a few hundred yards in the morning, so he can't be that far if I heard him on the ground. I thought that other gobble might have been woodpeckers after a while, but definitely heard one gobbling up here, and this is where Gage had him gobbling. Definitely was a gobbler this time. I literally just heard a shotgun blast. Right there. Oh boy. I was pretty sure I heard a buggy come in last night. And they sure must have. I think they just busted the gobbler over there. Holy crap. Holy crap. That just happened, and I am way back here. Way back here. Look, I just took my, I'm shaking in my foot. I just took my boots off so I could put a piece of tape on. I'd set up the decoy and then did my taping, and then I made a call. And I'm sitting here and I'm thinking about eating. I pulled out my snack bag. I was going to eat something. I look up and there's this black dot down the road. Big black dot. Wow. Oh, he's wet. He's getting wet. I gotta get my shoes on. Hang on, folks, we'll be right back with you. I put up a decoy right here because you can see down both sides of the road, and I didn't like the setup in particular because just as he did, he came straight at me and I'm right up in those palms. wasn't the best setup. And if that joker came from back here, it'd have to walk right past me. Oh, he's muddy too. Now he's a muddy wet bird. Oh, geez Louise. Oh, geez Louise. Oh, that's a heavy turkey. Wow. It took a long time. It took a long time, and I mean a long time, to get back to camp. About an hour and, what, 20 minutes? It took an hour and 10 minutes to get back to camp. I did get to clean him off a little bit here, so he's a lot more presentable, if not a bit wet and matted down, but I mean, beautiful bird. Beautiful bird. Where's this beard? Right there. It's like a, almost looks like it got cut off because there's some squirrely ones down here. He's got nice hooks. But at some point, I'm kind of expecting to run into Gage up here. We'll see.
Well,
all right, man. Yeah. Get out there.
Congrats on
High
your
five.
bird, man. Congrats on your bird.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, what is it? March 6th? Yeah. Wednesday, March 6th. Just had a rain come through just about all night, right? But weatherman said it was supposed to rain till 8 o'clock this morning. 7:45. 7:45, and it quit raining a lot earlier, but you know, it's soaking wet. The sun's trying to pop out, so maybe we'll hear some gobbles. At the very least, the roads will be washed away, and any fresh tracks we'll know are fresh from today. So we're just taking the day to kind of cruise, try to find a bird or two. He heard a bird yesterday morning. He's going to go back towards him. Yesterday morning I was sleeping in the truck because of my bird, but we're about to split up, cruise the roads, check for tracks, all that good stuff, and hopefully get on to something.
Get something for tomorrow at least.
It'd be nice. Tomorrow's supposed to be a lot prettier, so today's like a scouting / hunting day. Tomorrow's a
little bit of blue right there.
Yeah, it's coming up for sure. Over there. Well, me and Chris have split ways now. Like I said, he's going to chase a bird that I saw on my way out with my turkey, and he heard yesterday morning. And I going back to a decent road to look for tracks and go a little bit further than either of us has walked down this trail. So that's the plan, and the sun is doing exactly what it should right about 8 o'clock. All the turkeys have gobbled at 8 o'clock mostly, just because that sun, even if it's cloudy, gets to its brightest right at about 8, trying to break through. So let's see what happens. Well, I know y'all can't tell, but it's like 3 o'clock, something like that. And I'm hurting right now. I booked it back to camp. I know I'm foggy. I know everything's foggy. But the camera has gotten wet. It rained on me. Everything is just wet. The camera's wet. I mean, I'm hurting. It's 3 o'clock. We left at like 8. And it's, you know, I put on like 11 or 12 miles a day. For almost nothing, because there was nothing except for a few turkey tracks. And the rain just got worse and worse, and right before I got here, if I could have just gotten here a little bit sooner, I wouldn't have gotten like poured on. It was sprinkling on me, but it freaking bottomed out right before I got back to camp. That's why everything's wet, but man, I'm trying. I don't know what part of the camera's all fogged up. I think it's the inside, which is worse. I think. Maybe it's not fogged up at all. I just can't see. Looks fogged up though. Some good B-roll right there, for sure. That was pretty nice.
Once we're out of here, I mean,
it's not terrible.
It's just so humid back here.
Yeah. Well, everybody.
Even if the sun cracks, it may even dry out once the sun hits that black camera.
Yeah. Well, I've got some foggy spots in my lens. Everybody. My lens covers won't close because of the rain it endured yesterday. But me and Chris are about to head off. It's Thursday the 7th. Thursday the 7th. We're both about to head off our separate ways and hunt. We're a little late getting around. It's almost 8 o'clock because forecast said rain all morning and then rain all the way till 8 a.m. y'all need to be careful out here. Because even though it's wet, where it's dry, there's going to be rattlesnakes, and obviously where it's wet, there's going to be some moccasins. But I got over here to talk to a man about a dog, doing my business. And when I got up, I was kind of walking, or not walking around, but just getting everything back on, situated before I start walking again. And I was hearing something, and I'm in this like wet kind of ground in these pines, and it's squishy, and I thought it was just me moving around and like air escaping from under my foot, things like that. But this joker right here didn't warn me or nothing. I've been screwing around right here beside him this whole time, and he didn't warn me. It's a big old rattlesnake, and I just now seen him. He's been hissing at me, but it's not like a hiss from a moccasin, It's kind of this weird little hiss. He's just been watching me, but he didn't rattle me or nothing. Damn, man, that's a big snake. He's all coiled up. I can't really tell how big he is. But man, he's in like he's in like this clump of grass. He's in this clump of grass where you could have stepped on his ass. You would have just been walking through it, not really seen him that well. Stepped over him. That could have been bad. I'm gonna get behind him back where I came from. See if I can. Heck no, especially looking in the sun. Oh my gosh. Honestly, if I didn't stop over there to go to the bathroom, I might would have walked right past him down this trail, and he would have probably gotten me. Look, this is the trail I would have taken. That snake is super camouflaged right there. I don't even know if you can see him. You can see him, but you couldn't see him with the sun right there and everything. Looking through here, he is just perfectly, with the sun right there, looking here, he is perfectly camouflaged. We hunted all morning. Ended up sitting back there for a while, just calling every once in a while, listening. And never heard anything, never saw anything. Saw a track, probably from yesterday, but about, I think probably close to 11 o'clock now. We're gonna get everything packed up, tent put in the packs, and just load up and walk out of here. 'Cause I think we're done with South Florida for the year. So we're both gonna go our separate ways and visit some family in different parts of Florida. And me and Chris will be meeting back up sometime in March to go hunting in Mississippi. So you'll see a little bit more of him pretty early on. So y'all just stay tuned, keep watching, I guess. And we're gonna get out of this swamp at some point today. All right, everybody, it is 12:40 on, what's the 8th? March 8th, probably? I think, maybe March 9th.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Something like that, 8th or 9th.
It's Friday.
We're, me and
9th, yeah.
Me and Chris Snyder here with Regular Guys Outdoors. We're about to pack out after camping and hunting for a while, and packs are considerably lighter, but it's still gonna be a nice little walk, a couple miles for sure. And it's 12:40, it's hot. We're gonna slowly make our way over there. It's been fun. I appreciate it.
It's been real.
Yeah, it's been fun, it's been real. It's just a whole nother experience down here in South Florida, hunting public land. But we'll see you at the vehicles, or if anything cool happens on the way, we'll be sure to cut the cameras on.
I'll try to get my camera on if Gage eats it in the water.
Yeah, it's probably gonna happen. I can feel it coming now. It's a fun one, guys.
Life's choices, make good ones.
Yeah.
Getting a little water resupply for the last stretch out of here, and the mosquitoes are killing us back here.
Don't stop in the shade if you can help it, at least for a while. That's where they like to hide.
Things are killing us right now.
Ooh. Couple more miles left, guys. About 2/3 of the way. Hey everybody, I just wanted to quickly thank you for watching the video. You all mean the world to me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's free, but it helps both me and the channel tremendously. Also, go check out my Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I'll be posting lots of pictures, reels, and updates on my travels. Thank you once again, and I hope to see you in the next one.